Hello, good morning. My name is Yuneshwaran Singarajan and my matrix number is B0921100188. Today I'm going to talk about HVAC noise health awareness. So, what is noise health? Noise health effects are the physical and psychological health consequences of regular exposure to consistent elevated sound levels. Noise can cause hearing impairment, tinnitus, hypertension, heart disease, annoyance, sleep disturbance, mental health impairment, and other problems. Changes in the immune system and birth defects have been also attributed to noise exposure. There are ways to control or prevent noise held from HVAC system. Those are partner with local authorities, reach out to local government agencies and environmental organizations. Present your finding and discuss potential regulations or guidelines for mitigating the impact of HVAC noise and vibrations on public health. The second is seek media coverage. Contact local newspapers, radio stations, and television channels to share your message. Offer to provide interviews or write op-eds to highlight the importance of addressing HVAC related health concerns. The third is partner with HVAC professionals. Collaborate with HVAC professionals and companies to explore and promote sound and vibration reduction technologies. Encourage the adoption of best practices in the industry.
Hello there. Good morning. My name is Satish Akisoraju. My matrix number is P0921100452. Today I'm going to explain about three main points, which is the first one is understand the risk. Yes, there are many types of risk that eventually you'll be caught. So you should have a deep understanding of the potential health risk associated with the prolonged exposure to excessive noise and vibrations from Hvac systems. Yes, during the Hvac maintenance, you may encounter to the excessive noise and vibrations. So this may lead to your hearing damage, stress related issues, and sleep disturbance and other health concerns. So you should be really aware of it. So my main second point is you should create informative material. So to develop informative brochures, pamphlets, and digital content that explain the health risks associated with havoc noise and vibrations. Yes, brochures and pamphlets can give awareness, so it is easy to understand graphics, statistics to make the information accessible to a wide audience. And my third point is should compile and research. Yes, you should gather a scientific research and case studies that highlight the impact of a noise and vibrations on human health. This information will be valuable when presenting your case to the public. Of course, research and case studies are really important to reduce the awareness of the impact, noise, and vibrations. So that's all from now. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Shahid bin Amar. My matric number P0921100404. Okay, today I will continue this presentation based on HVAC noise health awareness. So, my first point is engage health professionals. Collaborate with healthcare professionals, ideologists, and other experts to validate your message. Having professionals endorse your cause adds credibility to your awareness campaign. Next, utilize social media. Leverage social media platforms to disseminate information, create engagement posts, infography, and videos to raise awareness, encourage followers to share the content to reach a broader audience. And lastly is host workshops and webinar. Organize workshop or webinar in collaboration, local health organization or community enters. The event can provide a platform for experts to share their knowledge and answer questions from the public. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Izzati Shafika binti Muhammad Tarmizi. My matrix numbers B0921100025. I will continue explain more about HVAC noise health awareness. Advocate for policy changes. What is that? Engage in conversation with policymakers and advocate for regulations that limit the noise and vibration levels of HVAC systems in residential and commercial buildings. Present your research and community support to strengthen your case. Next, encourage community involvement. Mobilize the community by encouraging residents to voice their concerns and share personal experiences related to HVAC noise and vibrations. This collective effort can have a more significant impact on decision makers. Last one, monitor progress. Keep track of any changes or improvements resulting from your awareness campaign. Regularly update the community on progress and encourage ongoing involvement in maintaining a healthy living and working environment. Okay, that is all about HVAC noise health awareness. That's all from us. That's all from us. Thank you.